Dear friends, I'm back again. In this video, I'll still deal with this machine, Bulldog. I have already made the video about this dog, which completes the whole purchasing process. In this video, I will not do that this way. What I'd like to do in this video is to showcase an alternative way to get initial foothold. So without further ado, let's switch into the Canininis VM. I assume that we have already been authenticated to the target. And now we can run commands, for example, like rfconfig and like pwd to display the current working directory. Of course, just you can see over here, there's some control or filtering in place on the target. Any commands listed here are allowed to run. In other words, we need to bypass the such control. In the first video, I have already showcased the first way. And in this video, I like to do it by another way, which is also very popular, which is very also common. I think for pen tester, this technique is very, very useful one. In many cases, we can use this bypass technique to do successful bypass. Okay, so how to do? And we can, first of all, we can copy the command, the reverse command, which you can get it from the Pentest Monkey website. And next we can do the encoding. We can tunnel to base 64. We got the result, we can copy. And we can do, of course, we need to set up the listener first, right? Sudo. And go back to the browser. We can use echo, paste in this field, and tunnel to base 64. 64 with option of D, which stands for decode, and tunnel to bash. You know, this technique is very useful one. I'd like to repeat it again. And we can copy. No need to copy, we just run it. It looks like it's working. As you can see, yeah, we have really got the initial foothold or access on the target. Okay, so that's it. I will not continue to complete this machine. If you want the remaining information, you can refer to the other video, okay, with this machine. Okay, so I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.